students, today we shall study lesson 3, noun, gender. Gender is the quality of a noun or a pronoun that classifies it as masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. Let us see the example. My sister Soma and Mr. Bukhari's son Sushil are friends. They went to the same school. In this sentence, the word sister tells us that the person being spoken of is a woman, is a female. The word son tells us that the person being spoken of is a man, is a male. Friends tell us that the persons being spoken of can be either male or female. School tells us that the noun is an inanimate thing and is neither male nor female. Inanimate thing means man-made thing, which is non-living thing. Thus, by merely looking at the words, we know whether someone is a male or female. It is a non-living thing. It is a class name that can refer to both male and female. So, dear children, the quality that helps us to identify the above in nouns is called gender. In English language, there are 4 genders. Let us see what are the 4 genders in English language. The first one is masculine gender. It refers to males. Masculine gender is the name of male animals or persons are said to be of masculine gender. For example, lion, man, son, dog, etc. Second kind of gender is feminine gender. It refers to females. The names of female animals or persons are said to be feminine gender. For example, girl, woman, hen, duck, etc. Third kind of gender is common gender. It refers to either males or females. Common genders are the names of things which indicates either the masculine or the feminine gender as said to be of the common gender. It can be either male or female. For example, doctor, teacher, friend, child, etc. A doctor can be male or female. A teacher can be male or female. Now, the fourth kind of gender is neuter gender. It refers to non-living things that is neither male nor female. The names of the things that are neither male or female are said to be of the neuter gender. For example, pen, table, tree, car, etc. All these are neither male nor female. So, we call them neuter gender. There are many ways to form feminine gender. Let us study them in this chapter. The first one, by adding ESS to the masculine form. Let us see the example. Actor, actress, duke, duchess, emperor, empress, governor, governess, host, hostess, hunt, hunter, huntress, waiter, waitress, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress. Dear students, when we add ES to the masculine form, we just omit the vowel of the last syllabus of masculine. For example, actor, ACTOR. When we add ESS to make it feminine, we just omit the vowel O and the spelling we get ACTRESS, actress. We just omit the vowel of the last syllable in these type of words. The second rule is by using a completely different word. In some of the words, we use completely different word as a feminine. We do not add anything with it, but the whole word is getting changed. For example, brother, sister, cock, hen, dad, mom, father, mother, gander, goose, horse, mare, lord, lady, monk, nun, son, daughter, bull, cow, colt, filly, lad, lass, fox, vixen, groom, bride, husband, wife, man, woman, nephew, niece, uncle, aunt. In all these examples, my dear children, we can see that the feminine gender is a completely different word. The third rule is by the formation of compound words, that is by adding another word to the feminine noun. See the example, washerman is a masculine gender. Here man word is indicating the gender in this word. So that word which is indicating a gender will be changed. Washerman will be changed to washer woman. Man will be changed to woman and it will become a feminine gender. Let us see some more examples. Fisherman, fisherwoman. In this word also man is indicating the gender. So man is changed into woman. It becomes fisherwoman. Grandson, son is indicating the gender. It's a male. So the female of son is daughter. So it will become granddaughter. He goat. In this compound word we can see that he word is telling us about the gender, that it is a male. So it will be replaced with female gender. She goat. Manservant will be changed to maid servant. Stepfather will be changed to stepmother. Grandfather will be changed to grandmother. Granduncle, grandaunt. Landlord, landlady. Milkman, milkmaid. Stepson, stepdaughter.